Hey guys, welcome back. Guess what time it is? It's almost fall. I can already smell the pumpkin spice in the air. Today we're making iced pumpkin spice bites. It's gonna be really good, and it's a perfect way to kick off fall. So we're gonna take all of our ingredients and put it in the food processor. We're gonna take our rolled oats, almond flour, pumpkin puree, aka baby food. And we're gonna take our almond butter or peanut butter, your choice. We're using almond butter because I'm allergic to peanut butter, so. We're gonna take our dates, put them in. Wow, that is a lot of dates. And then our walnuts. And then last but not least, our pumpkin pie spice. And cinnamon. Oh, it smells so fall-y. So now we're gonna blend it on high until smooth. And you are gonna wanna pause a few times just so you can scrape down the sides and then keep blending until it's smooth. It smells like pumpkin pie. Once it's smooth, you're gonna take it out, and then if you guys have been with me for a while, you know what's coming next. We have to roll all of this into balls. We've done that many times with all of the different bites and balls, so it's time to roll. Alright, I'm gonna put these in the fridge for 30 minutes, and then I think I'm gonna make the icing. Now that the pumpkin spice bites are in the fridge, we're going to make the icing. So we're gonna put in our butter, which is melted. And we're gonna put in milk, almond milk. And we're also gonna put in our pumpkin pie spice. Now we're going to put our powdered sugar in 1 tablespoon at a time and whisk while we're putting it in. Is over, and now we get to dip these in the frosting. So we're gonna just take one and then dip it just like that, and then we're gonna do that with all the rest. Last, we're going to sprinkle some of the pumpkin pie spice on top of the bites. So my gram showed up at the perfect time for her to try the pumpkin spice bites. So you want to try one?
Sure.
Let's see what she thinks.
Very moist. Now I need a glass of milk. Could I have a glass?
Sure. Oh. That's really good. With ice cream.
I just want one more. Thank you.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you like this recipe. It's the perfect after school fall treat Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.